Previously on the LaVigne Life.
Why? That's my only question. Potty. Where is the letter that sounds like ah, 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 ah? Hey, good job, Jerry. Where is the letter that sounds like eh, 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 eh? Aye, good job, Jerry. Where is the letter that sounds like m, 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 m? Good job, Jerry.
So my loves, I heard you know some phonics sounds, huh? You know some sounds? What letter is ah, ah?
What letter is it?
A.
Hey, good job.
What about w, w? W, w. W?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, baby.
He knows
what
most of them.
about t, 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 t? T.
T. Good job, Jerry.
I want to start getting him to like actually read, because some of the stuff he gets and he can point out, but some stuff he just like memorizes in his head, and I really want to try and teach him how to actually read. So if any of you guys can recommend something good for me to teach him, please let me know.
Oh, you running from mommy?
Guess what, honey? I have 2 more times I gotta have my night class, and it's over.
Night class is over?
Night class will be over.
Okay, okay.
And two more times, and then the rest will be back to just 10 to 1.
Regular college student. So I'm talking about.
She's staring at the camera? Yeah, and now you. My Jordan. Oh, Jojo. Got my Jojo forever, my Jojo.
Wednesday. Finally with my wife.
I know.
After school. Hitting up Fuji. You got a new sweater, my wife?
Yeah, I got cold. Shout out to Brandon.
Who's Brandon?
My advisor's brother.
What's going on, Brandon? How you doing, man? You doing good?
Like, tell D I said hey. So, I got your message.
Thank you for watching, Brandon. Appreciate you. You know what I'm talking about? These having a flavorful water. Or Jerry would say.
Wawa?
Wawa? Wawa? Yeah, we haven't been to a sushi date in a minute, so I'm hungry too. So it's perfect time. Ooh, look. It's a never-ending sushi roll. Never-ending, y'all. I know, I'm excited too. You gonna eat that green stuff, babe?
Heck no.
Oh, gross. Look at these. Babysitting it. Babysitting it. My baby got a small mouth. The sriracha's gone. The roll is gone. Oh boy, roll gone. Malawi? You hungry or?
You think I'm pregnant, huh? I'm hungry.
Pregnant?
No.
Oh, what you got, girl? Steak, medium well. Must be nice. Look, y'all. This is from Legally Blondie 8.
That looks just like him.
Yeah. Excuse the phone being cracked, guys. But look at that. That is nice. So I think this is the artist. You gotta see it. Vamp Nita through all the cracks. But that's nice. That's amazing. That's talent. Thank you so much. That mouth is cool.
That's my love.
Star, yeah, it's a star. Ball.
I think those are maybe a little distracting for him. Why don't you try the small pot?
Howdy, big boy.
Howdy. Your turn. Go.
Living it up. Living it up. Me and my joy. Me and my joy. It's a beautiful day outside, y'all. Look at the sky. It's nothing but a gradient. That's all that's up there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Guy said, no clouds. No. My Jordan? What's these feetsies doing? Uh-oh. Time to get out and walk.
Usually wants to be in
He does the whole way. Oh, that my big girl. You nice and clean, my Jordan. That's my big girl. Look at your brother. The best fun in the world. When the baby grabs on your shirt, holds on to you real tight. Boom, 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 boom. That's my Jordan.
My chocolate go? My chocolate go? My chocolate go? My chocolate go? My chocolate go?
I'm gonna start reading his book and see if he's gonna join me. 3, 4, 5. Oh, you wanna read it with me? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, Jerry. Good job, Jerry.
What letters? S. Good job, honey. That's my s'more balls. That's my chocolate ball. You my chocolate ball. S. Good job. Okay. What letter does a f make? Wait.
Now, what letter makes the sound?
What? What letter makes the f sound? Nine. What?
He said night night.
Nine.
You ready to go night night? Jerry, what letter makes the p sound? P. Good job, Jerry. Put the P down. I'm gonna teach you what P stands for later on in life, okay?
Oh. Seriously?
Sorry, Wanda. All right, get the letter that sounds like L.
Get the letter that sounds like ooh.
Oh. L. Good job, Jerry. It's
L.
She said oh. All right, get the letter that sounds like G. G. Yeah, that my boy.
That my boys.
That my boy.
Get the letter that sounds like R.
R. Yay,
My boy's getting his phonics sound.
He's getting to work out. He's squatting up and down.
Okay, what letter makes the sound w?
W. Yes,
Alright, what letter makes the F sound?
Yeah! F.
Your turn, Daddy.
Alright, what letter makes the N sound? N. N.
That's my bonus.
What letter makes the Y?
Yo.
Y.
No, No, you're confusing him. What letter makes the sound
I thought it was Y.
You, good job. Umbrella, wow.
I go-
Seriously? Please go to school. It's okay, my house. I'm just kidding. My bonus, what sound does the...
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, click the thumbs up button, and share the video. Be sure to watch the videos on your screen, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Why? That's my only question. Alright, good job, Jerry Potty.